I'm departing from this group. I beg your pardon. I just want to take a break. It's a personal thing that's been going through my mind lately. And, how long is that break you're talking about, Vishan? Really, it depends. I might return, I might not. Who knows, really? Wait, hold up, Vishan. Is this low-key or resignation you're talking about? What? You literally said months ago that it's a dream to be one of the best. Why stop it? I'm beginning to see that the society we live in is picky when it comes to what you can provide to them, you know? Here I'm just a piece of dirt among gems and crystals. How to fit in after one's surface. Whoa. What in blazes are you talking about, Vishan? You're feeling just about perfect in your tube. You just didn't realize it. I think I already did, Steve. Does Emmanuel know all this? You soon know. Thank you for your support, Steve. Peace out.
But things are things to make the pain hurt less. The aim to frame your frame and fame's worthless. Horton, here's a who, I'm on a speck in space. Speculate, only seconds late, so I felt its presence in my way. Missed it, blend it, paintbrush, blend tip. Question what I feel now, answer fucking splendid. Splendid, never have I said before. Hanging from the frames and doors, more afraid, still aboard. Still in my head at war, abandoned on my anchors. Drifted off the course to land my corpse, a man overboard. But I float, full of air, full of smoke, not a care. I will never go to work again, I'll never fit in there. Be a man, get a pair, be alive, be prepared. When I'm breaking down, I turn her inch and make my own repairs. It's what I do when an obstacle in sight, but just one way to get through. It's what I do, lots of obstacles in life, but just one chance to get through. This is what we do, Mayfly, fly fast to find food. This is what we do, Mayfly, fly fast to find.
Hey, Iman! Long time. Yeah, long time indeed, bro. So, how did it go for you, though? Well, I was able to amass lots of subs for sure, just by scanning and uploading artifacts from 2020, such as this syringe that seems to contain droplets of a vaccine for coronavirus. Sounds interesting, right? Yeah, man. Actually, that's a very rare find nowadays for sure. Especially that we're currently living in 2112, though. Yeah. So, where's Steve at, though? Pardon? I mean, Lejean. Lejean Steve? Where is he? They'll tell me something happened to him. Don't know what to tell you, mate. It all happened so sudden. No. He left the YouTuber. He what now? He left. Like, left. For a personal thing. What are you talking about, Steve? Look, man, as much as I want to tell you the whole thing, I was able to stop him. I'm sorry. So you meaning to say he left for personal reasons? Seems like it. Holy Moses. That was 10 years ago, though. Long time. We have not heard of him ever since. Whereabouts, rumors, none. He completely gone rogue within the galaxy. Yeah, I tell you, mate. He had his philosophies, And you know we can't just interpret those philosophies for sure. Crazy, I know, but yeah, it was a long time for sure. Hey, who you?
Name's Lester Freon. What are you guys?
You might want to come with me. Why though? You've been called by the chief himself. I have brought you all here at this moment to tell you something. Apparently, the cloud has detected abnormal upload rates from an unknown source, coming from a rogue planet filled with water, planet VIII 20. We have no idea why, we have no idea how, but it seems to be acquiring a lot of subs in return. You know what that means, right? What? We got competition. Well, no, Sherlock. Yo, what the? Watch your mouth there, bro. Well, watch yours also, bro. You do know that we're speaking in front of. That's enough. We're not sure of it yet, so I want you to go there and find out what's happening there. Got it? Got it. Do what you have to do. Copy that. You know, I overheard what you two talked about earlier back, and I apologize for interfering. It's fine, really. We knew something important is up when you mentioned Chief. You know, I don't see why you picked us 3 out of the 37 million who would be fit for the job. I mean, why? Actually, you forgot to tell me something. He told me that the abnormal uploading was done by a single person, according to their scouting reports. It might be the guy you're looking for. I hope so. Yo! How are we gonna find out where the source would be? I think we already found it. Hope you're ready for what's up ahead of us. Yeah, we are. Yep. We're here. Let's go. Sure, this is it? Numbers don't lie, I guess. Hope we can stay together, because I don't want to be alone. Yo, what the f is that? Here we go. Well, that was easy. Okay, yo, better get inside now, bro. You know I need some help, right? Yeah, I got you. Go on without me. What? No! What the heck, bro? We can't leave you, and you know that. Actually, I don't know. Oh, wow, what the actual Look, I have to hold up these androids. Go and find out who's responsible for this. Oh my goodness. Damn it! You better be alive, bro. Come at me! Dang, man. Guess I have to break that promise so soon. What up? I felt something. What is it? Now you won't understand it. Let's get going. Be prepared for what's coming. Yeah, got ya. This gotta be it, right? Sure hope so. So you came. Who's there? So you've forgotten me, Aratus Emmanuel. What? Okay, I don't know who you are, but you better come out on that dark side and face us. Fine. It's been years, Steve Isaac. What? No goddamn way. Lejean? Yes, my friend. It's me. Damn it, Lejean, where were you? The whole YouTube is worried about you. Sana all. How dare you use that ancient Filipino curse word at your friend? Are you my friend? What happened to you, Steve? YouTube ain't the same without you. You sure about that? Yeah, we're sure. But that's bullcrap. You don't just care about what happens to low-class members. You just leave them to dust, including me. And that's why I left YouTube. And now, I've joined a group where they care better. No way. You joined them? Yeah. What's he talking about? He joined our biggest rival, Rova. What? They have given me better service than YouTube ever did to me. Why, man? We got you every time. Why are you going out alone? Sometimes, it's better to be alone than to be ignored. I'm sorry, but I won't return anytime soon. They will make you. Sorry, mate. I'm about to be real famous real quick because of what I'm about to upload to the cloud. The forbidden pictures of the great PDP will be viral as soon as they all see it. And you can't stop me. What the heck are you doing? You better stop that. Make me Isaac. Damn it! Where is it? I forgot to tell you. I decide when to terminate the upload. Come at me, just like how your friend said when he died. What? You're lying. Damn it, you lying ass bastard. Tell me if I'm lying. Damn you! I'm sorry. You think this will end all dispute? Stop the upload. Oh my... Oh God. Happy now? Not unless you decide to return to us. You don't understand. They'll come after me when they knew I left them without consent. Then your Tubi has her back. Yeah. You better know what you're talking about. Yeah. Good old times, indeed. Well, back to square one. Well, not technically. I kept it just for this moment.
Sir, we have lost track of Lejean Steve.
Oh, interesting.
You stupid.